that money got me wearing fly. Girl, but I ain't asking. They say they love my ass and 7 G's to religion. I say no, but they keep giving, so I keep on taking. And no, I ain't taking. We can keep on taking. I keep on demonstrating my love, my love, my love, my love. You love my lady lumps, my hump, my hump, my hump. My humps, they got you. 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 They say I'm really sexy. The boys, they wanna sex me. They always standing next to me, always dancing next to me, trying to feel my hump, hump, looking at my lump, lump. You can look, but you can't touch it. If you touch it, I'ma start some drama. You don't want no drama, no, no drama, no, 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 no drama. So don't pull on my hand, boy. You ain't my man, boy. I'm just trying to dance, boy. My hump, my hump, my hump, my hump, my hump, my hump. My lovely lady lumps, my lovely lady lumps, my lovely lady lumps. In the back and in the front, my loving got you.
My God, bro, look at the white. Oh, just don't get the hubcap, right? Oh, shit.
Well, buddy.
Jorge. Yeah, guys, this is Jorge's wrap. Last time I didn't really show you guys. It's fucking dope. Stay tuned for the other color because it's not done yet.
Done by...
Tell the vlog what we did, bro.
Huh?
Tell the vlog what we did, so just in case they want to clean their wheels.
Oh, we bought it at Walmart.
We bought what at Walmart?
Oh, we bought... I don't even know what the fuck it's called. What is it called?
You said
it's
it
like a degreaser.
Yeah. And then he's using the power washer. We're going to repaint him though later on, guys. This is just for right now.
The paint's rolling off anyway.
Alright guys, first point of view vlog, guys. We got a FK7 1.5 turbo. We got a V6 Challenger. We got 2 EGs. One has a Y8 fully built. One has a B7. We also got Omar's BRZs. So yeah, guys, this is gonna be a dope ass cruise. I hope it doesn't fall, guys. Sorry if it's a little bouncy. It's like a Walmart one, you know? this footage comes out good, man.
Pumpkin spice.
Pumpkin spice, what? They still got that shit?
Oh, fuck. Shit. Bro, for $5 I landed shit. Oh, son of a bitch.
Okay. Don't put that shit on in the store, bro.
George!
Oh my god. Do it again. What'd you do? Oh my god. Alright guys, so right now we're just chilling. And I think Omar's gonna let Nate drive it.